Hi there, I'm Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
I'm so excited to take you on this journey with me. Before we begin, I'd love it if you could hit that like button and don't forget to write a comment below and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. Koh Tao Island is a small but incredibly stunning island located in the Gulf of Thailand. You can also rent a kayak or paddleboard to explore the nearby coves and cliffs. Don't forget to pack your sunscreen and a hat. Next, we make our way to Shark Bay, one of the best diving spots on the island.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
As the name suggests, this spot is home to a variety of shark species, including blacktip reef sharks, leopard sharks, and even whale sharks if you're lucky. But don't worry, these sharks are harmless and will keep their distance. As you snorkel or dive through the crystal clear waters, you'll be amazed by the stunning coral reefs and the vast array of colorful marine life that call this place home. Our final destination on this tour is Thanook Bay, a serene and secluded beach that's perfect for a day of relaxation. Surrounded by lush greenery and towering cliffs, this bay offers a peaceful and quiet escape from the busier beaches on the island. The water is calm and clear, making it perfect for swimming or just lounging on the beach and soaking up the sun. As we come to the end of our walking tour, I hope you've enjoyed exploring Koh Tao Island with me. Don't forget to write a comment below and let me know what your favorite part of the tour was, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more travel content. Thanks for joining me, and until next time, happy travels.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Bye!